Step two, organize your listing process. We recommend all of your products go through sorting and then can be listed appropriately to the right channel. We call this putting the right product on the right channel. For illustration purposes, what we found to be most efficient is to put all new items under 4 feet by 4 feet on e-commerce platforms such as Amazon, Walmart, eBay, Shopify, etc. New items bigger than 4 by 4 or a pallet size typically go to the Facebook Marketplace or online auctions to sell locally for that local pickup. You don't want to have to ship something that's a full pallet size if it's not a very expensive item, because the fees get to be in the hundreds of dollars for that. So used, new open package, as is merchandise, put those in online auctions whenever you have any question about it. Those products that are new open package that are solid, you might decide to put those on e-commerce channels. That's really at your discretion. Who does what when it comes down to this? Many companies like to divide and conquer their listing process by having one person dedicated to their e-commerce listings, one person handling auction listings, one handling Facebook Marketplace listings. And this can be the same person, right? But physically separating the products and having a quality control process when putting products out there to list can save you a lot of time and money by minimizing your returns. Products are missing parts or pieces or damaged or used and not described correctly, they're going to come back to you, and you're going to have to pay to ship it there, pay a commission, plus now you're out all that money for nothing. So sorting is really critical to your success. Make sure that you're going through the process of sorting very continuously and very thoroughly.